Feeling overwhelmed by clutter in your home? Imagine transforming every room into a perfectly organized space without breaking a sweat. In today's video, we're diving into 10 incredible Amazon shelves that will not only save space, but also take your home organization game to the next level. Stay tuned till the end for some clever shelving ideas that you might not have thought of but definitely need. First up is a game changer for your kitchen organization, the over-the-sink dish drying rack. This is no ordinary dish rack. It's a 3-tier marvel that maximizes your countertop space with its smart, over-the-sink design. If you're tired of cluttered counters, this rack is perfect for you. The premium anti-rust steel construction guarantees durability, while the non-slip suction cups at the base keep everything stable, even when fully loaded. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to assemble, with all tools included right in the box. Next, we have a storage solution that's as versatile as it is practical, the collapsible storage bins with lids, available in a convenient 3-pack. These stackable, easy-access bins are perfect for organizing any space in your home. Whether you're looking to tidy up your closet, store toys, organize crafts, or declutter your kitchen, these bins have you covered. The beauty of these bins is in their flexibility. You can assemble them in just 60 seconds and fold them away when not in use, saving you tons of space. Need to get your shoes off the floor and into an organized space? Introducing the 5-tier shoe rack organizer, a perfect blend of style, functionality, and space-saving design. This compact shoe shelf is the ideal solution for anyone looking to declutter their entryway, closet, or bedroom. Assembling this shoe organizer is as easy as it gets. The foldable modular structure means you can set it up in just minutes. No special tools required. Despite its simplicity, it's incredibly sturdy, with a thickened frame that offers a strong bearing capacity. Looking for a simple yet effective way to add extra storage in your home? Let's talk about the kitchen cabinet shelf counter organizer rack. This multifunctional shelf is the ultimate space-saving solution for any room, from the kitchen and bathroom to your office and bedroom. The heavy-duty metal frame ensures sturdiness and durability, while the rust-resistant coating keeps it smooth to the touch and long-lasting. The non-slip pads on the bottom make sure it stays securely in place, no matter what surface it's on. Say goodbye to messy closets with the shoe organizer storage box. This innovative, portable, and foldable shoe rack is a must-have for keeping your sneakers, heels, and flats organized and easy to find. Designed with convenience in mind, this storage box features a one-piece folding design that can be assembled in just 3 minutes. Perfect for those who want a quick, hassle-free setup, and it folds back just as easily, making it portable for any location. Next, we have the ultimate solution to organize your bathroom or vanity, the 3-tier rotating bathroom counter organizer. This sleek and functional shelf is designed to keep your countertop neat and easily accessible. This organizer is built to last. It can hold more weight than typical plastic turntables, and its waterproof coating means it will stay looking great, even in humid bathroom environments. Need an elegant and spacious solution for your kitchen counter? Check out this large bamboo 2-tier fruit basket, the perfect way to organize and display your fresh produce while adding a touch of natural beauty to your kitchen. The thick bamboo board adds strength and sturdiness, making it more durable than ordinary wooden baskets. The solid construction ensures that it remains stable on your countertop, offering both beauty and reliability without any shaking or wobbling. Need to make the most out of that awkward space under your sink? The 2-tier undersink organizer is here to save the day, designed with a convenient slide-out feature that makes accessing your items easier than ever. Unlike traditional undersink storage, this organizer has a pull-out drawer that allows you to effortlessly reach for everything, even in those tight, hard-to-reach spaces. Whether it's cleaning supplies in the kitchen or toiletries in the bathroom, this organizer ensures everything is right where you need it. Looking for a way to keep your bread fresh without drying it out? Let's talk about the bamboo bread box, the perfect balance between form and function. This stylish bread saver keeps your baked goods fresh. With 2 layers of storage, this bread box is large enough to hold 2 full loaves, rolls, muffins, and more. The high foot and deep back design ensure it stays away from water and wall surfaces, keeping your bread fresher for longer. Running out of counter or cabinet space? The magnetic spice rack is a brilliant solution to keep your kitchen essentials organized and within easy reach. without taking up any extra space. It's the ultimate multi-purpose organizer for the modern kitchen. With a super strong magnetic backing, this rack stays securely attached to your fridge or any iron surface. The larger shelf can hold up to 11 pounds, while the smaller one can support 6.6 pounds, and the 8-hook rack holds up to 4.4 pounds. Plenty of capacity for all your kitchen must-haves. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe for upcoming new Amazon must-haves.